Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Ancient wisdom money matters today. We're diving into the heart of agribusiness. Agribusiness is all about taking potential and turning it into something special. It's about connecting with the land, nurturing growth, and reaping the rewards. With the demand for fresh, sustainable options, there's never been a better time to explore this industry. Stick around as we explore 6 incredible agribusiness ideas that might inspire your next big adventure. First up, let's talk about the wonders of organic farming. Growing food the natural way. No harsh chemicals, just hard work, dedication, and a deep respect for the earth. More families are searching for organic produce and are willing to pay a premium for quality and health benefits. This means big opportunities for farmers who are passionate about sustainable practices and want to make a difference. Think juicy tomatoes, crisp lettuce, and vibrant greens. That's the magic of organic farming. Organic farming extends to livestock too. Imagine free-range chickens roaming freely. Their eggs, you've never tasted anything so rich, flavorful, and delicious. Find your niche, whether it's heirloom tomatoes, free-range poultry, or an organic orchard with diverse fruits. Build strong relationships with customers through farmers markets and community-supported agriculture (CSA) programs. If you're passionate about healthy living and sustainable practices, organic farming might just be your calling. Looking for a venture that's less demanding on space but packed with potential? Let's talk poultry farming and its numerous benefits. Raising chickens doesn't require a ton of land. You can start small and scale up as you gain experience and confidence. There's a consistent demand for both eggs and meat, making it a reliable source of income. Fresh, farm-fresh eggs every morning? That's a tempting selling point for many customers who value quality. Raising your own chickens gives you control over their diet and living conditions, ensuring healthier produce. Specialize in laying hens for a steady supply of eggs or raise broilers for meat, catering to different market needs. Explore different breeds for a variety of colors and sizes, adding diversity to your farm. Who can resist a basket full of colorful Easter eggs? They make for great seasonal sales. A relatively low-cost, high-demand agribusiness idea that can be very profitable. The humble chicken might be your ticket to a thriving farm business, offering both financial and personal rewards. For water lovers, let's dive into aquaculture. With wild fish populations dwindling, aquaculture offers a sustainable solution. It's a business opportunity making waves. Raise fish in ponds, tanks, or recirculating systems. Specialize in freshwater fish like tilapia or saltwater species like shrimp. Control the growing environment for healthy, thriving fish. Consumers want responsibly and sustainably raised seafood. An innovative and impactful agribusiness idea. Be part of a growing industry and make a difference in sustainable seafood. Aquaculture might be the perfect fit for you. Let's explore a unique agribusiness idea, mushroom farming. Mushrooms don't need a lot of space to grow. Cultivate them in basements, sheds, or grow rooms. They grow incredibly fast, some varieties in just weeks. Gourmet mushrooms are highly sought after by chefs and food enthusiasts. Think delicate oyster mushrooms or earthy shiitake mushrooms. Mushroom farming is a low-waste operation. Use recycled materials for substrate and turn spent substrate into compost. Tap into a growing market and experiment with different varieties. Discover your inner fungi fanatic with mushroom farming. Let's get busy with beekeeping. Bees are vital to our ecosystem and produce delicious honey. Beekeeping is rewarding and impactful. Set up a few hives on your property or partner with local farmers. The possibilities are endless. Honey, beeswax candles, soaps, and lip balms. Beeswax is valuable, used in cosmetics and furniture polish. Propolis has medicinal properties. Bees are full of surprises. A sweet and sustainable agribusiness idea. Beekeeping might be the perfect fit for you. Let's talk about a classic agribusiness venture, dairy farming. It's a time-honored tradition that has sustained communities for generations. Dairy farming is about cows providing fresh milk, a staple in many households around the world. Who can resist a tall glass of milk and a warm cookie? It's a simple pleasure that brings joy to many. Dairy farming requires land, pasture, a barn, and milking equipment. Proper infrastructure is key to a successful operation. There's a consistent demand for dairy products, from milk to cheese and yogurt, ensuring a steady market. There's also room for creativity with value-added products like artisanal cheeses, which can attract niche markets. You can specialize in organic milk or create flavored yogurts to cater to health-conscious consumers. The farm-to-table movement has increased interest in the origins of dairy products, making local farms more popular. If you love cows and dairy, this might be your venture. It's a rewarding way to connect with nature and animals. Create a legacy and nourish your community with dairy farming. It's more than a business. It's a way to build lasting relationships and support local economies. Well, there you have it, folks. 6 incredible agribusiness ideas. Whether it's organic farming, poultry production, or beekeeping, there's an adventure waiting for you. Success in agribusiness takes passion, dedication, and heart. With ingenuity and hard work, turn your love for the land into a thriving business. Embrace the challenges and watch your agribusiness dreams blossom. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more content. Comment below which idea you found most interesting. See you in the next video.